Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Trading Online with Binary and Forex. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade differs and matches. For today's, I'm going to specifically concentrate on differs. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to create an account if you don't have. Then after that, log in. So when you log in, it usually opens here. So after it opens, you need to come here to Deriv Trader, click on open, then after that come here to accumulators, then scroll up to down and choose match and differs. So you need to, if you need to change your volatility, you just need to click here, choose the volatility of your choice. Like this one, we are using 25S. For the ticks, we are going to use 1 tick, and then our stake we are going to use 20 USD, or maybe let's use 200. So because I want to blow this account, let me blow it first. I need it to blow up to $10 so that I can show you that it's possible to raise your account up to 20. Oh, sorry, it has matched. Okay. So I don't know if it's possible to add the stake. So let's switch. I just need to blow it. So even if you're a beginner, you can start here. So 135. So let's blow 100. So let's blow 25. So here we have our $10. So the next thing that we need to do is to raise this account. So for today's video, I'm going to show you a free tool that we are going to use. So the tool that I'm going to use, it's called LPD Analyzer. So you just need to come to Google and search for it. So here it is. So we need to drag it here so that we can be able to see. So for this strategy, I'm just going to show you how to trade manually. So for the first stake, let me stake $5. So we are going to use the last prediction with the least appearing. The least appearing is 1. So we come to 1. So the next thing that you need to do, as you can see here, we are in 10. we need to be at 25. So we need to make sure the digits that are showing here also matches with the one at the end here. So let me show you how. As you can see here, 2, 6, 0. So this is not the one, I think it's this without one S. So let's see. 9. Yeah, here it is, 3. Okay, here it is 5. Not here, 3. So we just need for the number 1 to appear, and then we click the first. So let's just wait. Here it is 1. The first. We have our profit. Then come back here. Wait for number 1 again to appear. Then click on the first. It's a very almost 100% profit. The paying it's a bit low, but if you stake high, although if you go one loss, you go back to home, like you blow your account. So let's wait for 1 to appear again. So you can take up to maybe 10 or 5. Then after maybe few hours you take 5, and then you see after the end of the day you'll be with a few dollars. As you can see here, we are at 12. So we just need to wait for 1 to appear. Oh, sorry, it has also increased. As you can see, it's in 10%. We need the lowest, so we go to 7. So that's how we switch. If you see the one with the red bar decreasing, you just wait for the digits to appear. 7. The first. Here we are. We have our 13. So for matches, I usually advise don't stake low because the pay it's a bit low, and if you stay at the market for a bit long, and if you overtrade, the ref it's going maybe to manipulate. So as you can see, we are at 13. So if your interest is just making $3 and then with withdraw, you're good to go. So let me confirm the list is still 7. Oh, sorry, I have delayed a bit. Let me see. As you can see, we have 1. Wait for 7 again. So we are almost going to reach our stake, the stake that we are using in our account. You see, 8. We are at 14.68. So let's wait another 7 for our last run. So if you maybe make the half of your account size, you can exit the market, but I don't advise. Maybe if you have $10 to stake all of it, just take a little bit of your account, like maybe half, like the one you're willing to lose. Let me just say that. 7, 8. So let me see. So 8, it's the one growing. So to avoid this one, we are going to go to 0. As you can see, it's the second highest, 11.5, 11.2. So for it to come to 7, it's a bit risky because it's near the one that we are differing. So we need to take a bit few trades. So we are waiting for 0. As you can see, we are at 15. So even if we go a loss, we are not going to lose anything because our capital is protected. So let's wait for a 0. Be patient. So another good thing about this is you can use the normal bot that it's in TradingView. Sorry, not in TradingView. The Reef bot, you can use it to maximize your profit. Like if you see the digits, just run the bot. So if you're interested for that, I'll show you. And you don't need to purchase any bot. We are just going to use the bot that we have in the deriv tool. As you can see, 7 is the one with list appearing, but after we have clicked this one, the latest, it has gone to 7 because it's 8. It's the one that is growing and it's near our list appearing. So as you can see, even the green arc has shifted. So we are at 16. So as I said, we are going to flip this to 20 so that I can show you how possible it is for you as a beginner to earn on deriv just by DFAS. It's nothing complicated. 0. So we are at 17, $3 to go. As you can see, no loss so far. But for this one, I'm just going to go the next and then I go back to 5. So, and also another thing to remember, number 9 and 0 are a bit tricky to differ with. So that's another tip that I'm giving you. Watch out for number 9 and number 0, especially if you see the red arc has gone to 9. And because the reason why 0 and 9 are a bit risky, it's the exit point for 0 might be 9 and the exit 0 might be 0. For 9 might be 0. So let me change the volatility because I have seen the list appearing it's 9, and also if it's 9, the list the exit point for 9 can be 0 and we are going to lose. So the list appearing it's 3. Also, I'm going to avoid 3 because of the one growing it's next to it. So I'm going with 1 the next second. Also, another thing you can look out for is make sure the digits that you are going to differ with, it's not growing in percentage, and also it's constant. As you can see, it's decreasing. So that's another tip too. So as you can see, if we had differed with 3 here, we could have gone for a loss. So only one trade and then we are out of the market. So we are differing with 1. So as you can see, it has increased. So that's also it has decreased. It was at 9.6. If it's increasing, that's another red flag. It can match, and because we just want the list appearing, we just want to differ with the one with less percentage and the one which is decreasing. But the also good thing with a bot, if you are using a bot, just imagine all this will be profit. So the one we are going to raise with maybe 10 minutes, we can raise those $10 with about 5 minutes. So number 1, it's increasing. So I'm going with number 6 now. So make sure you also check the percentage of the digits that you are differing with. So this is our last. Yeah, voila, here we are with our $20 account. So I have shown you how it's possible to raise your account of $10 to $20, but be keen on the points I have pointed out on this tutorial. See you in my next video.